Well, this is my second time recording this because I recorded in the wrong format and couldn't use the videos to edit in Resolve. So, learn something new every day, guys. Bear with me. I'm working on using less filler words and looking at the camera more. I'm super used to just hanging out and looking at these monitors because I'm playing a game or looking at the chat over here. So, keep that in mind. I'm working on it. So let's get started. So this video is going to be centered around the topic of how do you make affiliate in 2020? Based off the knowledge that I've learned over the 2 years that I streamed to just 5 viewers, and based off of the past 2 months where I've gone from 53 to 5,850 followers in about a 56-day period. So the current requirements to be eligible to apply for affiliate on Twitch in 2020 is 500 total minutes of broadcasts in the last 30 days. So that's about 8.5 hours. 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days. Piece of cake. All you have to do is stream on 7 different days. Average of 3 concurrent viewers or more over the last 30 days. And then at least 50 followers. So first off, let's cover these two because we get these out of the way pretty quick. If you stream about 2 hours and 15 minutes per stream, and you stream 2 to 3 times a week, you'll hit that no problem. Piece of cake. And that brings me to the topic. Most of you are probably streaming too much. And the reason that that is an issue is because you should be spending that time on other social media platforms to bring people over so that there are people to watch you when you stream. Because sitting there and playing video games and talking to yourself and looking at the chat and saying hi every once in a while when somebody pops in to see if you're worth watching, it's probably not going to get you very far. It's going to take a lot longer, and most of you are probably going to give up before you get there. It took me over 2 years to realize this myself. So there's 3 ways that you can get 50 followers and an average of 3 concurrent viewers in 30 days. First off, reach out to family and friends. Now, I know not all of you have family and friends to reach out to, so the next thing that I would do is reach out to other streamers who are trying to hit affiliate. I'm not endorsing the whole follow for follow thing. I'm just saying that in the beginning, you might have to reach out to other streamers and, get to know them, pop into their stream, help them out getting to affiliate. So what I did was I went into other streamers' streams and hung out for a bit. Make friends with other streamers. Pop into their chats. Say hello. Get to know them. 9 times out of 10, if you do that and you pop in every once in a while, maybe even host them, give them a raid, even if you only have 1 or 2 viewers, it still shows that you're trying to be supportive, and usually they'll return the favor. And if they don't, then just move on to another streamer. There's so many streamers. There's 8.5 million other streamers out there. That's crazy. That's a ridiculous amount. Somebody out there is going to be willing to support you if you support them. Treat other streamers how you would want to be treated. And the third thing is to, obviously, like I said, other social media platforms. You're looking at it right now. YouTube, that's a great platform. Way more discoverability than Twitch. Same with TikTok. That's what worked for me. That was the first thing that got me into this. I stumbled upon somebody's TikTok where they were promoting their Twitch channel, decided to give it a shot, and here I am. Now I'm making content for you guys on YouTube, trying to branch out onto other platforms like Instagram, Facebook. I don't know about Facebook though. What people don't understand is that each one of these platforms has an algorithm. So like for example, TikTok favors 13 to 22 second videos. Most people don't realize that. So there's people who are making 5-second videos and TikTok doesn't favor that because they're not getting a lot of view time out of that. And then there's people who make really long videos and they don't reach that 85% view time that TikTok prefers, and so the TikTok doesn't push it. The TikTok deserves its own video for sure because I can go way more in depth on that. Just remember that nobody else is going to do the work for you. So whatever time and effort you put into your other social media platforms, that's how much growth you're going to get in return. Now I just want to go over some do's and don'ts. First off, do not self-promote on other people's channels. That's rude. It's frowned upon. You're not going to get anywhere with that except people are going to think that you're just begging for somebody to come give you a follow and you can't do it on your own. Doesn't look good. How would you feel if you made affiliate and you had your 3 concurrent viewers and somebody came in and just said, hey, come check me out, and 2 of your viewers left and now you're back to 1? That doesn't feel good. Another don't. Don't ask people for raids. Don't ask them to host you. Raids and hosts are supposed to be a surprise. Instead of asking people to raid you, you should be working on your channel and your other social media platforms so that when you do get that raid, people will stick around. Instead of asking people if they can come check out your channel and stuff like that in their comments, you should be thinking to yourself, how can I improve this so that if I do get rated someday, people will stay, people will follow, people will want to watch you. I just want to close out this first video by saying thank you for being here. The video quality will improve as I go because I'm learning as I go, and there are no dumb questions, only dumb answers, so don't be afraid to ask anything. If you guys found this content useful, please drop a like, it helps a lot. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to ask me some questions about this stuff in real time and interact with me, I'll be live on Twitch Tuesday through Saturday. Times are varying, but I'm working towards a set schedule based off of the information I get from trying out different times. I'm working on tons of content for all of the social media platforms that I'm on. Stay tuned for more videos like this, as well as maybe Q&As, stuff like that. I've got all kinds of ideas. I got a podcast coming. There's a charity stream I've got planned for the 25th on Twitch. That's going to be benefiting the American Association for Suicide Prevention, and I'll also be giving away a bunch of G Fuel. So lots of good stuff to look forward to. Thank you guys for coming to check this out. Hope you guys can get to affiliate in like 2 weeks to a month by using this information. And I know things are really stressful right now. People have a lot of free time, so take advantage of it. And stay healthy and wear a mask, guys. I'll see you in the next one.